S&P is down 5.5%, Brian, in 5 days. That's just a tailspin right now. I'm not sure if that's too strong a word, but that's a pretty notable decline in just 5 days, nearly 6% at this point.
I thought what you said at the top was very interesting, Bob. You said that if we had a deal announced yesterday that we would not be down 300, maybe we'd only be down 100.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't we be up 300? I mean, is it that inconsequential no matter what the resolution is?
Yes, I think you could make an argument. I think we'd be down because Europe was a major problem overnight. But I would say, and again, I don't think this is an art, not a science. I'd say we'd be down 100 right at the open and then try to rally in the middle of the day. That would be my guess. Now, we can't prove any of this, so it's a little air of the unreal about it. But believe me, it's a factor in why we're down so much today. And if you don't believe that, just look at the market history, what happened in July and August. And you're a market historian, Brian. We saw that the S&P